Amidst the evolving geopolitics, defense partnership and strategic alliance have gained paramount importance. The Indo-US defense relationship has particularly been in the spotlight given the mutual interest of both nations in maintaining the peace and stability in Asia-Pacific region. A landmark development in this fast-growing relationship is the anticipated deal between India and the United States for the production of General Electric's F-414 fighter jet engines in India. This ambitious project promises not only to provide a significant boost to India's defense capabilities, but also to transform its domestic aerospace industry. In a broader sense, this deal is testament to ever-strengthening ties between the world's oldest and the largest democracies. General Electric is expected to finalize a multi-billion-dollar deal to manufacture fighter jet engines in India during a visit from US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin. The deal to develop complex jet engine technology in India has been under discussion for over a year, involving GE Aerospace, a subsidiary of GE. The deal is expected to be officially announced during the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the US next month. Why this deal is important? The idea is to manufacture GE F-414 complex jet engine in India under the Indian government's Atmanirbhar or self-reliance plan. The US is ready to transfer full jet engine technology to India, a first time in the history of deal between India and the US. The General Electric F-414 engine is crucial to India for several reasons. The F-414 engine are intended to power India's indigenous Tejas Mark II. They will provide these aircraft with greater thrust and performance compared to the existing F-404 engines currently used in Mk1 version. Manufacturing these engines in India can potentially stimulate the development of local defense industry and supply chain, creating jobs and driving economic growth. This is very important for India to evolve as a major defense producer and export. India has planned to develop 114 multi-role fighter jets in collaboration with foreign manufacturers. The F-414 engine could be a suitable power plant for these new fighter aircrafts. Geopolitical consideration. The deal underlines the strengthening defense and strategic relationship between India and the US, amid growing geopolitical challenges, particularly from China. Though India needs to manufacture its own engine, however, it cannot depend on indigenous Kaveri engine program right now, as the deadlines are missed many times and will put India in a vulnerable position. Developing own advanced fighter jet engine is a different ball game altogether, as it requires precision engineering, high-quality materials, and a deep understanding of aerodynamics and more. The Kaveri engine is still under development and is not yet ready to be used in Tejas Mark II fighter aircraft. The GE F-14 engine is a more powerful engine than the Kaveri engine, and it is better suited for this aircraft increased weight and performance requirement. The GE F-414 engine is a reliable and proven engine. It has been used in a number of different aircrafts including FA-18 Hornet and the Super Hornet. This means that India can be confident that the engine will be able to meet the needs of Tejas Mark II fighter aircraft. Though there are many advantages with this, India needs to look out for lock-in with US. Relying on foreign suppliers can make a country vulnerable to disruption in the supply chain. This could occur due to geopolitical tensions, trade disputes, or other international issues. In the case of GE F-414 engine, if there is any reason for the US were to impose restriction or halt supply, it could significantly impact India's defense capabilities. There is always a risk that the technology transfer might not be as complete or comprehensive as promised, leaving India dependent on the US for key aspects of the technology or its future upgrades. It is a catch-22 situation. However, on a long-term basis, India needs to power its own engine. It needs to act together and develop expertise in jet engines to truly become an independent military force and producer. All in all, it is a great deal for now, which will certainly propel the development of Tejas Mark II, but need to make that bird a truly indigenous one with India's own engine. Thanks for watching.